Today I'm making my Audi TT look like an Audi R8. But first I hired the cheapest mechanic I could find on Facebook Marketplace.
I'm feeling Dovka.
Right guys, we have all the parts ready to install on the TT. We have the Maxton front lip, we got the Maxton diffuser and the RS grille. However, the mechanic I ordered on Facebook Marketplace still isn't here. He is Lithuanian, so I think I got a good idea of what to do.
Huh? Is this the Yami auto?
Yeah.
Hello, bro.
You Lithuanian mechanic?
Yeah, nice to meet you. Let's get to work.
This is Dovka, straight from Lithuania.
What's up, my bro?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling Dovka.
Nice, let's get to work.
I'm ready to work.
Let's get to work.
I'm ready to work. We're gonna try to put the lip on his car. Never done this kind of job before. So I think what you have to do, like it says in the manual, now we have to align the lip on this side correctly and on the other side correctly, and then screw the screw basically through the bumper. Then we have to remove the bumper. It's gonna take probably 5 minutes, no problem. Then we're changing grille as well. We don't have proper tools because Yami Auto didn't supply me with proper tools though. I flew like 1,000 kilometers for no tools. Crazy. Opa, now I'll have to screw through the bumper. But where's my helper though on the other side? Fucking missing, bro. Where is he? You have to align the splitter somehow. Opa. Do you know how to align it? No. Okay. No tools. Using fingers is crazy too.
Bare hands.
Bare hands. I am from Lithuania though, so. Oh, that's how. Now I'm gonna have strong hands. Don't mind that, no tools needed. Блять, сука, нахуй. Kurwa. Oh, found it. We kinda got the preview on how it's gonna look. A bit wonky right now, but we're gonna screw it in, no problem. Three people watching me work.
It's like you're an animal in the zoo.
Yeah.
No, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You can do what you want, just seize the day. What you're doing tomorrow's gonna come your way. Don't you ever
What's this for?
Airbag.
giving up. You will find, oh,
Record the word, not me. Should we cut out the video? Oh my god.
Stop raining.
Alright, yeah, back to work.
Back to work. 6, 7. We're still tapping in screws into the bumper.
I feel fine because I got a belly on my head.
Now we're gonna be removing the grille. You're gonna destroy some bolts for us. No problem.
No problem. The weather is actually looking pretty good now, isn't it?
Opa, let's go.
Yo!
I'm on the grass like an actual homeless man.
You were like mounting the RS grille.
Yeah, I feel like very primal right now.
Premium. Now this looks bad because I'm wearing a belly in front of my neighbours pulling up.
Staring.
Okay, huh?
Yeah, he was staring.
Oh. As you can tell, the front bumper's already looking way better with this RS grille and this front splitter.
Such a hard job, man.
Thanks to Dovka, it's gonna look so nice. Hey! Damn, look at how she is looking now. And I'm not talking about Doridas caked up. I'm talking about this beautiful grille. Now we gotta fit it onto the car.
It's actually pretty easy to put the thing back in.
It was such hard work. Honestly, I was really struggling at one point, and I'm just lucky that Dovka just like gave me a little bit of a help putting this bumper on.
Forgot to plug the things in.
Oh.
Stinks stuff.
Lovely.
Hi.
The final touch. Just look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna... You like it, yeah?
Nah, it's fucking terrible, man.
Guys, we are back. It's been a couple weeks now since we shipped off the Lithuanian mechanic, and we are going to attack this diffuser ourselves. Shit. Let's do it. Guys, we are under the car. The diffuser's right here. There's two screws holding in the bumper, the diffuser, sorry. And we're gonna unscrew them. And then we should be able to just unclip it, and then we're gonna clip on the Maxton and pray for the best. Let's go. Guys, we've got the big guns out. Let's stick it in. Get this rusty ass T25 bolt. You know, when it was raining, it rusted all my tools. These goddamn Lithuanians, man. Number two. Oh, smack my head on the fucking thing as well. Oh, I'm just checking if there's any other screws. Oh, there is. Up there, look, you see that?
Oh, this?
Yeah, I think. You know what's really annoying? There's no videos on how to do an Audi R8 like mine's diffuser, so we just gotta wing it. So I'm just gonna unscrew every bolt and just pray to the best. Pray for the best. Got a nice little tattoo. Yeah, I work on cars. There's like some screws like proper deep in there, yeah. Loads of dust is going in my eyes and my face, and now we have to pull it off. What does it look like in here? Is that a good thing? I don't know. I think we're making a bit of progress here, yeah? Oh. Oh, shit. Oh. The noises it makes really isn't that reassuring, is it? We did it! We did it! But like, see where the clips go. Right now we're doing the corners back up, screwing it in, make sure it's properly screwed in. We don't have any self-tapping screws. Apparently for the middle there's no hole, so you're meant to do a self-tapping screw, which means like it creates a hole like it's on thread. So I got to get those, but hopefully it doesn't fall off. All right, well, we managed to get it on, but the only problem is we don't have a heat gun to bend the inside clips. I'll fix that out later, but let's see what it looks like now. Should I be asking the car consent for this? Ta-da! This is what it will look like after we fully fasten it in.
If you a bad bitch, fuck it up. Freak bitch, you touch her toes like what? Like, she said it's summertime, she tryna have some fun. Get lit. If you a freak, do your shit, don't run. Don't do no running. It's summertime shit, wish hoes fucking. Gonna take this little bitch, yeah, her nigga ain't on nothing.
Guys, it's currently 4 weeks later. The car is dirty as hell. I tried cleaning it. There's 4 misfires on the engine, so the car is currently cooked. PCV valve is non-existent. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna keep on making this Mini R8 beautiful. We're gonna get some rims, some side skirts and everything. Please drop a comment down below if you think it looks better, if you like it, and what we should add next. This thing's gonna get kitted out when it's fixed. So I'll see you guys in the next video.